Hello, I had some problems with my camera. I think the battery or maybe it was full. So the last video was cut right before I could say bye bye. So it's okay because the tutorial was okay, only I couldn't say bye bye. Never mind, not a big deal. So I have cut all the papers using the second part of my chart, and now I will just glue them onto the box, the suitcase, by the way. I will glue only the papers only on the outside of the suitcase, because then I will have to do a few things and the inside paper will hide what I did, so it will be for later. Okay. If you want to ink the edges, you need to do it before you glue it. I just need my glue. Where was my glue? Oh, very strange. Everything is missing when your desk is on a mess. Oh, okay, I got it. So you just glue it on the box. Oh, it will be too slow. Yeah, way faster. Don't use double-sided tape to do this, because when you use glue, I mean a good glue, not a glue made out of water, you know, when you have a good glue, I will try to explain in English. Oh my god. When you have like these 3 pieces of papers, you can find the thickness, you can feel it, okay? But if you glue them, it will be stronger than that, way stronger than that. If you use double-sided tape, it won't, never. So use only glue, good glue. It's a glue with acid. I'm sorry, yes, I know it's not good for paper, for scrapbooking, but it's a glue with acid. I just don't glue pictures with it, but for the rest, it's perfect. Yeah, I was lost. Too much pieces of paper everywhere. You see, it's easy. You just glue it in the middle of your paper, of the place of the piece. Okay. One more, yeah. No, this one is for the inside. Where is the outside? Yeah. Better. You glue your paper everywhere, okay? You don't glue anything in the inside, okay? Nothing, you just wait. So I will do it and I will come back. This is for the inside. Okay. Then I will show you something. I don't know if you have it. I don't know what you want, by the way. This is something we put on the table. It's protect the table from the plate and the glass and everything, and then we eat. Okay? And it's a faux leather. As you can see, it's look like leather, and of course it's only plastic. But it's very good for what I like to do. If you have this, I will make you another tutorial later to teach you how to show you how to use it and make a very beautiful suitcase, looking like pretty much like a real suitcase. But because I don't know if you have it, for today I will do it this way, okay, with paper. So you just need paper and you need brads. Brads. Okay, you need brads. And glue. And maybe a thick string. And a pencil. That's nothing more. Yeah, that's all. So let's do this one. Oh, I will come back. I will glue all my papers outside and I will come back for the rest of the tutorial. Bye bye. See you later. Okay, I'm back. Here is my box. Oh, I forgot that part. Never mind. I can do it later. It's okay. Now you need a thick brown or craft or any paper that make you feel like it's laser, you know, pretty much. And you need 2 centimeters. Yeah. The 1, 2, 3. I will need 4. I think for now it's enough. Okay. I need to remember. I'm not sure. Let me check. Oh, that's 2 centimeters. Yes. Okay. So, first fold at 1 centimeter and a half. Second fold 1,5, 2, 3,5, 3 centimeters and a half. Oops. Ow! Mais okay. And now I need on that part I need to make rounded corners. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, what am I doing today? That's okay. Better. Now, a pencil. you need the middle, a line on the middle of the piece of paper. Here you have 1.5 centimeters. You need the middle of that, which is 5.5 millimeters. Okay? Here you have 2 centimeters, so you need 1, the middle. And then from the last fold, you need the first one will be at 1, and then it will be every 2 centimeters. Okay, you can go till the end. Because I'm lazy, yeah, I know I'm lazy, I'm not sure I can do 4 because my paper is, by the way, I need 2, so it's okay. And now my problem is my eyes are a mess. I don't see. It's very late. It's pretty much, it is dark outside and it's pretty much dark inside. I need more lights. This paper is acting strange with an alcohol marker. It's drinking the marker. Okay, perfect. Maybe I can see it now. Not sure. I'm using the small one, not the big one. Oh my god, the marker is bigger. No, it's okay. I was afraid that I can see the marker on the other side, but no, it's okay. And here, the last one. This side will be perfect. The other side, I don't really care. Oh my god, mistake. Shit. Oops, sorry, no, I didn't say that. No, 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 no. I didn't say that. Blah. Okay, I'm not happy with the end. Never mind. And now you take a very thin, where is the very thin? Yeah. A very thin black marker. Those are, you see, 2 millimeters. What I got? 1 millimeters, 0.8, 0.5, 0.3. I got 2. No, 0.1, 0.05, and 0.3. That's very thin, as you can see here. So I will take, let me think. I will take this one. This one is the 0.3 point. Oh, maybe it's not dot, it's point. 0.3. Yeah. The more I'm speaking English, the more I can remember some things, hold on, some words I forgot. And here you make I don't know, you call that a faux sewing? If you have a very strong sewing machine and you are sure you will not break it, you can have a reel. You can sew it for real, but don't break your machine. Okay. You do it in the opposite side, both sides. Oh, what happens? And here, round it. Okay. And this needs, no, not this one. Where's the good one? Yeah. I need to ink it. I was lazy to ink the whole suitcase, but at least this. A little bit. I think I need to re-ink my vintage photo ink pad. And I'm also inking the folds. Of course, I will need two. Okay? It will go here. So that part will go here. With a brad here, and another brad here. And then the last brad will be somewhere here. Tac, tac, tac. I need a break. I need water, I need food, I need a snack. Ooh. Yeah, I'm sorry, I need snacks very often, small snacks, because how do you call that in English? Let me try to remember. Oh, I'm on low sugar. I am ill and I'm on low sugar very often, so I need some breaks. I will come back soon for the rest of the tutorial. See you later. Bye bye.